Good afternoon, students. Today, let us have revision of lesson 3, kinds of sentences. Already I have explained to you this lesson. Let us revise it as a preparation for our test. We all know that sentences are used for different purposes. And there are 4 types of sentences. Statements, which is also known as assertive sentences. Questions, which is also known as interrogative sentences. Commands or request sentences, known as imperative sentences. And exclamatory sentences. So along with the examples as given in your book, kindly take your book, page 15, lesson 3. First we'll go through just the lessons. Thereafter we'll have the we'll go through the exercises together. So please have your book in front of you. In a short, statements are something that we declare or state, and it is a fact, as I have explained to you earlier. And it ends with a question, it ends with a full stop. Then we have the interrogative sentences. Sentences those that are asking questions. Mainly interrogative sentences or the question sentences ask questions. And it ends with a question mark. Then we have the third one, imperative sentences, that is which also known as a request or command sentences, and it expresses some command or advice or request or something that we demand from someone. So these are known as the imperative sentences. Imperative sentences also usually end with a full stop. Then we have the fourth one, exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences also is known as happy and sad sentences that we have already learned in class 4. So we have here exclamatory sentences expresses some strong feelings or sudden emotions or some wish that we express all of a sudden. So they are known as exclamatory sentences, and exclamatory sentences always end with an exclamatory mark or exclamation mark. So these are just a gist of this lesson. More examples are given in your book. Kindly read through. Now we will have the exercises together. We will solve it. It's already I have solved and sent. Just to go through how for the test the possible questions can come from here. So we have page 16. Read these sentences and write their kinds or state their kinds. Means sentences are given, different sentences are given, and we have to read and understand which kinds it belongs to. So that is what we have to do, the first one here. So we have page 16. Do not pluck flowers. And it is a command. So we know that it belongs to imperative sentences. Kind is imperative sentences. I wish you were an actor. So it's like an imagination. No? This is usually it is like a imaginary sentences comes, which also I have already given you this in your solved book exercises. So I wish you were an actor usually comes under an imaginary sentence which we have not yet discussed. So let's leave it that. We'll go to the third one. Australia is the smallest continent. So it is just a statement. So it is an assertive sentence. You must work hard. It's a command or request. So it becomes an imperative sentence again. If I were rich, I would have purchased the Taj Mahal. I am sure when you have read these sentences, you must be wondering what type of sentence this belongs to. Kinds of sentences. So, but this also we have noted to discuss. This will be learning in the next classes or next 6th and 7th. But since it is not explained to you, but all the same I am giving you, this is a conditional sentence. If I were rich, it is a conditional sentences. That category it belongs to. So we'll go ahead with the next one. Where was Jawaharlal Nehru born? So all of you are aware of this kinds of sentence. It's an interrogative sentence. Next one we have the sun is a star. Assertive sentence. What a beautiful lady. An expression. Exclamatory sentences. What a great success. Exclamatory sentences again. Have you seen the Eiffel Tower? So it is an interrogative sentence. So these are the mostly in this lesson you will get this type of question. Those are either read these sentences and write their kinds or state their kinds. So be prepared. Try to read. Except this imaginary and conditional sentences will not be asking from you, but the rest all 4 kinds will be asked. Any type, any kind of sentences can be asked. Not only it's not necessary that only we have to get only the book one, but any type of sentences, only read it, try to understand, and then state the kinds. And please learn all the spellings of all kinds of sentences. Question, interrogative, assertive, imperative, and exclamatory sentences. Please learn, write and learn the spellings. We have again in the page 17 one picture of an ice cream given here. See the following picture, color it and write 4 kinds of sentences on it. I suppose you must have done it. So if you have not done it, please do. Please explain the flavor of the ice cream. You like to ice cream and have an exclamation mark sentences. No surprise you are showing. So try to do it. Next one we have rearrange the following words to make meaningful sentences. Also write the kind of sentences in the space provided. First and foremost, you have to put the sentences in order. Thereafter, you have to state the kinds. Next is when the match. When is the next match? So that is with the question mark we have to. When is the next match? It is an interrogative sentence. Next one we have paper. This is quality poor. This paper is of poor quality. It's an assertive sentence statement. Sonia, change, go and dress your. Sonia, go and change your dress. It is imperative sentence, a request. An exciting game what? What an exciting game! Exclamatory sentences. Could please help me, cross the road the. Could you please help me to cross the road? Again, interrogative sentence. Akshay, brilliant, a boy, the most class in the. Akshay is the most brilliant boy in the class. Assertive sentence. Please on switch computer the. Please switch on the computer. Imperative sentence or command sentence. How today is it hot? How hot is it today? So it is a sudden expression, no? So it becomes an exclamatory sentence here. So please go through this both the pages 16 and 17 and try to understand what are the different kinds of sentences, and please prepare yourself for the test. Mostly read the sentences and state its kind of any type of sentences can be asked. Any sentence only you are able to understand, so that will be that means you are able to recognize the kinds of sentences. Okay, thank you.